guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Narad Bello and thank you so much for clicking on this video. Okay, so today I decided to lighten up things a little bit, but today is about a lifestyle vlog and get ready with me makeup versions. This is the first of a kind. I haven't done this before and this is my first time, and I just want to show you guys how I apply my makeup on my face. I thought to do this because I promised to mix things up, to to spice things up and not to be all serious about migrating every time. So today I just wanna do makeup video and I hope you guys enjoy it. Disclaimer, I am not a makeup professional. The only thing I know how to do is just one kind of makeup, and that is the only thing I do whenever I wanna make a video. Some of my subscribers actually reach out to me in the comment section, Instagram, that they love the way I put my makeup on and show you guys how I do it. And let's get right into the video. First, I love to raise my hair up with this clip. I got this from Nigeria.
So I love to raise my hair up like this so it doesn't interfere with my face when I'm putting on makeup.
First thing I want to do is I love to prepare my face for the makeup. So I use a primer. This one I got it from Nigeria. It's called Extra Smooth. I don't know if you guys can see it, and the way you can actually find out there. So I'm almost finished. So you guys, the only time I do makeup, I apply makeup on my face, is when I want to make a video. Like, since I've been in Canada, I hardly see people apply makeup. I don't know why. Everybody's just serious with their with their business, and everybody's just serious with their a moisturizer on my lip, and that's a lip gloss. So I love to apply lip gloss on my lips. It's kind of give me this baby girl vibe whenever I'm
apply makeup. Now that I have this on the lip, so I've seen people do it, so I think it's good. So I just do this a little bit. Just do it. I'm using Absolute. Everybody knows Absolute, right?
Okay guys, so it has been sitting, the primer has been sitting on my face for a while now, and it is time to apply the next product on my face, and this is a foundation. So I'm using two shades of foundation. One is a lighter shade and the other is a darker shade. I bought this first. I thought it was my skin tone, and when I got home it was too light for me, so I had to go get this darker one just to mix it together and not to waste product, So this lighter one is from HD Moisturizer and the other one is Maybelline Foundation. So I've had them for a while now, and because I don't usually apply makeup, the only time I do it is making a video, so it tends to last for long. So what I do is I mix them together. I don't have the mixing tray, so I use my hand. I just put a little bit like this. I think it's too much on my hand, sitting right there with it, right there. So then I go ahead and mix it together. So I'm gonna see this when I start applying. So I don't know if it is too light. Well, I've seen people use makeup this blender, but I'm always in a hurry. I don't have time for that, so I use this instead. Okay, so let's see if it is too light. Oh, I think it's too light for my face, so I have to put more of this right here. Yeah, I think I just got my skin tone now. Yeah, this should work, so I gotta take this out. This is not for me. Remember, I told you that I'm not a makeup artist, so mistakes are allowed. But anyway, I just want to show you guys what I do every day. What I do whenever I want to make up. Okay guys, so the next is draw my brow, and I'll be doing that with Davis eye pencil color 18, and this is color 3. First I brush my brow up with a mascara wand and then I go in with the color 3 first, because that is very close to my skin tone. So I want you guys to have a closer look Oh well, I've seen people do this kind of brow, but you just do it one alter. That is for those that have a full brow. I don't have a full brow, so I still go the whole traditional way. So check this out. Yeah, and I love to, and the other brow. I'm gonna go ahead and fill it in. Why I go in with a darker brow is because at this end it usually shows like one color, so I don't like that. So I use this to make it darker. And that's all I do. Okay, so brow is done and dusted. Define my brow. I do that with some part of my foundation, or sometimes I go in with the concealer. Yeah, with the concealer. So there we go. I love to use a lighter concealer for the under and a darker concealer for the for the top, just to give it a more definition, to lighten up that area. So I just take my foundation stick and make it neat. Small. Okay. Too much. Next now, after I light, I'm gonna go in with my Pro Elegirl Pro Concealer like this, and then take this up like this too. I don't want to open my mouth. That's gonna allow it to sit for a while. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my beauty blender. This has been sitting on my face for about a few seconds, so I'm gonna go ahead and use my beauty blender to blend it out and to make it look beautiful. Let's do it. Very dense here, so it will define your face and make it look beautiful. And then go on to the next one. So this will give it that lift. For my blush, I'll be using, they call it Kiko Makeup. I just saw the colors and I fell in love with it, that's why I bought it. So this is how it looks. And I usually love to use this color. It's more like orange. It gives me this warmth. Let me use this orange. Just take it 1, 2, 3. That's all. 1, 2, 3. And I'm not being really generous. Blends right together. So just take a little, because so little gives so much. That's what I believe. So I'm gonna go right here. Right here. I'm just gonna go a little bit. My powder. I'll be using Milani for this one. I have to dust it out a little bit and apply it right on my face. Dust it out. Yeah.
Brush out the highlights too.
Yeah, everything is getting put together. I'm gonna go in with the eyeshadow, and here I'll be using Who's That Girl? Na 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 na. Okay, so yeah, it has 35 color matte and cream eyeshadow. So I've had this for a while now, and I can tell that I've only used maybe 3 or 4. I have just 3 or 4 favorite color. First, I'll be going in with the darker shades first, and the upper crease like this. You see the color is not so. The other one too. Let me just into the other one. You see, I'm blowing off the excess because I feel if it's too much, I'm not gonna like it. I will be going in with the shimmering inner. This one right here. Yeah. So I'm using another eyebrow brown. One more light. You see? Okay. I'm going to use a highlighter to, on the lid of my eyes, just to define it a little bit. Like this. One thing is that my eyes easily water. I mean, water easily comes out from my eye. So because of that, I don't like to go too deep into the inner corner of my eye. And I don't like to even apply anything in there, in the inner part of my eye. So I just do a little bit up here, and that's all. I'm gonna go with a mascara. And next is to go on the lip. Okay, so what I love to use for my lip liner is this big lip liner by Soft Touch in the color shade of 3. So I love to use this because it's softer and it's much more deeper. Okay. So this is the powder stone down on it like this. And the other one too. That's it. And for my lipsticks, I love to use 2 different colors. I'm a nude lover. If you've been watching my video, most of my lipsticks are always nude because I feel like it goes well with my skin tone. And it's not like I don't have other colors. I do. I can even use this one for the lip. This one right here. It's actually for lips, not just for blush only. This one, I can use it for my lip, but I just feel like I think the nude fits me well, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do this. So first, I want to go with this. And second, I like to use a highlighter. Yes, I love to do that because it gives this shimmering finish. So let's do it. So I have two highlighter, one from Zaron, the one I use for the contour, and the other one, this one. I've had this for a while now, about 2-3 years, and trust me, this is what I've used out of it, because I just feel you need just so little to get what you want. So, so I'll just dab this in a little bit and then go right on my nose. and go right into the inner corner of the nose like this. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I love to put it right underneath my brow when I'm going to like party. That's back in Nigeria. Well, here nothing like that, but I've not tried that before. I don't know if I'll look so awk on that, because I've not tried that on a regular regular makeup like that. I've only tried it when I'm going to Owambe, because it gives you that Owambe vibes look, but I've not tried it ordinarily. But I can give it a try in this video, and if it goes bad, my bad. Give this a try. It's not bad. I kind of like it. I think I'll start to do that. I kinda like it. I kinda like it. So that's it. Yeah. I'm usually faster than this when I'm applying all of this on my face. But because I want to make it a video, I decide to just take things slow so you guys can get the detail. I hope you like my makeup. Check out the girl. I think I love it. I did a good job. Hey guys, so if you enjoyed this video, my little makeup video, just encourage this girl by clicking on the like button to appreciate this handwork, this piece of art. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you want to go ahead and hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell to be the first to get notified whenever I post a new video. And I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.